Hi, Emma. Sorry, try to chat back and forth. I'm so behind on my Facebook Lives, but people have to realize this is free and they're not getting a consultation. And I'm not saying that as an insult or anything like that, but it is what it is. I'm only human. And I'm about to get back on the table now till afternoon or till tomorrow. So my question is that you have a script report for 175s, 180s. Okay. Now, on the script, your child is legally blind. At 5, meaning they can't drive a car without glasses. They're not blind, but they're legally blind. They need to function with glasses. My son has a script very similar to this. Gordon, my oldest, and it was just so, you just take things for granted because he had glasses for so long. And he finally got contact lenses when he was like 16. He's like, wow, this is the first time I get to see my hair being cut. And I'm like, what do you get it cut all the time? And he goes, yeah, but I never saw it. I take my glasses off, I put them on. I have hair, and then I take them off and put them back on. I don't have hair. I've had my hair cut. But my question is, and this is where you need to know, you actually look at the script that's much higher, right? The axes are the same and the astigmatism is the same, but they're noting under the other exam a 7 and a 6.5. Now the script is for a 5 and a 4.5. So the question is, which script is right? If you got 7s, now you really need glasses. And to be knocking them down to 5s, you're going to have a child that's not going to want to wear their glasses, and it's not going to work because it's not the right script. But what you need to understand is which script is correct. Did they make a mistake on the one versus the other? Like, where are we at? And this is where you might have to go down there and ask, saying, I've got this, what are we looking at? And then the other thing is, then you'll definitely need to patch. If this is the first time the child's wearing glasses, they have to get used to the glasses. It takes 2 to 3 weeks. Because you'll start at 1 hour, 2 hour. This is a heavy script, and they're going to get really visually fatigued because now they can see, they take the glasses off. Now that they can't see, there's nothing. They'll have directionality, but they won't have vision, or he won't. And so, but also you have access points of 180. The access points are supposed to be 90. So the eyes are windswept and so forth. They're being forced. And that's part of the astigmatism. And that's why, too, with the astigmatism at 175, that would have warranted glasses, especially with the axis of 180. So these glasses really have to be cut well. For whatever reason, if your child's not wearing the glasses, I would blame the glasses over the child. But this is where, too, when you've got a child, oh, he just doesn't want to wear them, it's sensory issues. No, I can't see with them and I can't see without them. So I'm just not going to wear them. And that's where you have to look at that. So that's where I'm getting at with that. Once we know what the right script is, then I can give you more information on how to go in from getting used to the glasses and then going into your patching program. But we got to make sure we've got the right script. And that's where my concerns are. Thanks.